Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw spin from Spidey and his amazing friend. So let's start drawing. Draw a circle for the head, making its upper part wider than the lower part. Inside the face, draw a square shape with rounded corners on each side of the face to make the eye. Then make another bigger one around it. Draw a curved line coming out from the bottom of the face, one on each side to make the shoulder. Then draw a small letter V on the left arm and a bigger letter V under it to complete the arm. Finish the arm by drawing the fist with 4 folded fingers and the thumb. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. For the other arm, extend the line coming down from the shoulder and another line going down diagonally to the right, then make another similar line under it to complete the arm. Finish the arm with the hands by drawing 4 fingers, then the thumb inside. Draw a line coming down from the left arm to make the side of the body, then another line going down diagonally to the left to start making the leg. Draw another line next to it, starting at the level of the right hand, going all the way down to finish the leg by drawing the foot at the bottom. Repeat the same steps on the other side to make the other side of the body and the other leg. Connect the 2 legs in the middle with a small line. Decorate the suit with a large letter V on the chest and the abdomen part. Then draw another one right under it. Connect the top of the letter V to the shoulder with a couple of lines. Repeat the same thing on the other side. To draw the Spidey badge on the chest part, draw a letter U. Then draw 2 spider legs pointed downward on each side. Then draw another 2 legs pointed upward on each side. Then connect the 2 sides together at the top. In the middle of the face, between the 2 eyes, draw a small circle. Then draw 3 lines coming out of the circle going upward. And 2 lines going downward. Then connect these lines with small curves to finish the spider web on the face. Draw similar long line coming down from the bottom of the face, radiating to the shoulders and the chest part. Then connect them similarly with small curves. Draw long lines on each arm and connect them similarly as before. Make the same pattern on the leg. Go, let's go! Now I can do a spin from Spidey and his amazing friend. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color. or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.